A meteor is a streak of light in the sky caused by a meteoroid crashing through Earth's atmosphere. A meteoroid is a lump of rock or iron that orbits the Sun. Most meteoroids are small fragments of rock created by asteroid collisions. Comets also create meteoroids as they orbit the Sun and shed dust and debris. When a meteoroid enters Earth's upper atmosphere, it heats up due to friction from the air. The heat causes gases around the meteoroid to glow brightly, and a meteor appears. Meteors are often referred to as shooting stars or falling stars because of the bright tail of light they create as they pass through the sky. Most meteors occur in Earth's mesosphere, about 50 to 80 kilometers, 31 to 50 miles, above Earth's surface. Even the smallest meteors are visible from many kilometers away because of how fast they travel and how brightly they shine. The fastest meteors travel at speeds of 71 kilometers, 44 miles, per second. The faster and larger the meteor, the brighter and longer it may glow. The smallest meteors only glow for about a second, while larger and faster meteors can be visible for up to several minutes. Although thousands of meteors fall during the day, meteors are best observed at night, when the streaks of light are visible in the dark sky. Meteors appear in different colors, depending on the chemical composition of the space rock and the air it is passing through. A meteor with high iron content, for instance, will appear yellow. A meteor with high calcium content may appear as a purple streak of light. Scientists think up to 50 metric tons of meteors fall on the Earth each day, but most are no bigger than a pebble. Meteors that don't burn up in the atmosphere strike Earth's surface. These meteors are called meteorites. Some meteors can also produce sound waves that can be heard by humans on the ground. These sounds can range from hissing and crackling to rumbling and booming. However, the exact mechanism of how meteors create sound is still a mystery. One possible explanation is that meteors generate very low frequency, VLF, radio waves that can travel long distances through the air. These radio waves can then be converted into sound waves by objects such as hair, glasses, leaves or grass that act as transducers. Another possible explanation is that visible light from a meteor heats up materials such as hair and glasses, which then vibrate and produce sound waves. But this theory requires a very bright light source, which may not be common for most meteors. A third possible explanation is that meteors create shock waves that propagate through the atmosphere and reach the ground. These shock waves can cause windows to rattle and buildings to shake, creating audible sounds. However, this theory also requires a very large and fast meteor that can break the sound barrier. Therefore, a meteor can create a light and sound show when it enters the Earth's atmosphere by glowing brightly due to frictional heating, displaying different colors due to chemical reactions, and producing sound waves due to various physical processes that are still being investigated by scientists. Meteors are streaks of light in the sky caused by space rocks crashing through Earth's atmosphere. They are also known as shooting stars or falling stars. But how often do meteors occur, and where are the best places to see them in Queensland? Meteors occur every night, but most of them are too faint or too fast to be noticed. Some nights, however, there are more meteors than usual. These are called meteor showers. Meteor showers happen when Earth passes through a stream of debris left by a comet or an asteroid. The debris burns up in the atmosphere and creates a spectacular show of light. One of the best meteor showers in the southern hemisphere is the Eta Aquariids, which peaks in early May every year. The Eta Aquariids are created by dust from Halley's Comet, which orbits the Sun every 76 years. The Eta Aquariids can produce up to 20 to 24 meteors per hour in Australia, depending on your location and the weather. The best time to see the Eta Aquariids is between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., a couple of hours before sunrise. You don't need any special equipment to see them, just your eyes and a dark sky. The darker the sky, the more meteors you will see. The best places to see meteors in Queensland are away from city lights and pollution. The outback is ideal, as it offers some of the darkest skies on Earth. However, you can also see meteors from other locations, as long as you have a clear view of the eastern horizon. Some places where you can see meteors in Queensland are Queensland Astrofest. This is an annual event for amateur astronomers and sky watchers, held just west of Brisbane from August 3rd to 12th. You can join workshops, lectures, and stargazing sessions with experts and enthusiasts. Cosmos Center. This is a remote observatory and planetarium in Charleville, about 750 kilometers west of Brisbane. You can book a night sky tour and watch the stars and planets through powerful telescopes. Carnarvon Gorge. This is a natural wonderland of sandstone cliffs, gorges, and forests in central Queensland. You can camp under the stars and enjoy the beauty and tranquility of nature. Magnetic Island. This is a tropical island off the coast of Townsville, famous for its wildlife and beaches. You can stay at a resort or a hostel and watch the meteors from the beach or a lookout point. Meteors are amazing phenomena that remind us of our place in the universe. They are also a source of wonder and inspiration for many people. If you want to see meteors in Queensland, plan ahead, check the weather, and find a dark spot with a good view. You might be rewarded with a memorable experience that will last a lifetime. Many Queenslanders witnessed a spectacular light and sound show on Sunday night, when a meteor crashed into the atmosphere and lit up the sky. Here are some of the eyewitness accounts and videos of the recent meteor sighting. Lila Yola was traveling between Ayr and Townsville when she saw the light.